1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video that I'm doing in a row. I have just done my Friday face mask. I'm not going to put this one up right after it, but I wanted to do it because it's something I need to use quite quickly. I need to use it like now. This is something that I've purchased from QVC with my own money. I've had it a few days but haven't opened it, so I'm going to endeavour to try to open it. At last. Okay, so this is, there you go, that's what the packaging looks like, and it is new and it's Finish Touch Flawless, and it's facial hair remover. I think it's very similar to perhaps the JML one. I don't know because I have never used that one. I saw this and thought I'd give it a go because it's something that if you want to you can actually sort of take out and about with you. You know, it's small enough to pop in your handbag, etc. Okay, so I am so sorry trying to do this with one hand, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so that's what the packaging looks like inside. Okay, quick start guide. Charge unit for 3 hours to full charge, but it probably will come with some charge, I hope anyway. Remove the cap, turn the unit on, just slide gold switch upwards to remove hair using circular motions. So you don't even have to buy batteries for this one because it's literally a rechargeable one, which I don't think the JML one is. Okay, so that's the leaflet showing you the quick start. So let's get it out. Okay, so you've got your charging lead here. There's a little brush there so that you can clean the hairs out. And then let's get this open. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks almost like, I don't know, giant lipstick. So you remove the cap. Oh, it also comes with an extra head. There you go. So it's got an extra head with it as well. Make sure I pop that away safely. So you remove the lid and then you turn the unit on. Just slide the gold switch upwards. So that's the little gold switch just here. Okay, there we go. It's on. So, I'm using it because I get all my Nanny McPhee's, as you know. Oh, could you hear it? Oh, amazing. And I could also use it here, in between the eyebrows. I suppose you could use it there as well if you've got a steady hand, or even over your whole face if you want to. But I've just used it over my top lip. These are the areas where I do pick up the odd Nanny McPhee. Springs out from nowhere. Let's turn it off. That's it, I haven't got any. How quick and easy was that? I just think it's amazing. And this, you know, you can keep in your handbag, which I might do because sometimes I'm sat out with the kids, and especially Hannah, she will say to me, "Oh my God, Mum, look at you, I can see a big Nanny McPhee." And you know, sometimes they just they're out from nowhere, and you look face on and you can't see them, and suddenly the sun's shining on you, especially if you're like on a profile, and then the sun is there, and they, you know, the sun is shining through this flipping hair. So yeah, I might even keep that in my handbag. That is amazing. I'm so impressed with it. Okay, I'll let you know how much it was. I will link it all down below in the description box. I paid £22 and 2p, which I think is brilliant, because I'm absolutely sure the JML one is about £30, £29.99, something like that. I don't know that that one's rechargeable. I don't know if it's battery operated, because I've never actually used one, so I cannot confirm either way. Also, with QVC, if you want to, well, they were, I don't know if they are now, but I will check it out for you and let you know, that they were offering this on an easy pay, so you could pay it by interest-free instalments, no credit checks, nothing like that. You just give them the card number, obviously, and then they just, every month, the same day, every month, they will deduct the payment. And if you want to do that, it was £7.34 plus your postage and package with your first payment, which would be £11.29, and then the remainder would be split. But yeah, £22 and 9p I just think is amazing. I love it. I'm so chuffed with it. And how pretty does it look? It looks really nice. It's just got the white packaging, the rose gold. It says flawless there, and then you've got the rose gold top. Take it off, that's all in rose gold, including the little razor head is rose gold as well. You've got your leads to recharge, and also an extra head. I just think it's brilliant. Oh, and don't forget the little brush to like brush out all those little nannies. Yeah, amazing. So happy with it. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps my channel out so much. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel, especially if you like this, all the sorts of videos that I do. And come back to my channel really soon, because I've got some more unboxings and reviews to do for you. I will see you all very soon. Take care, my lovelies, and enjoy the rest of the week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.